Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Rick, your host for MSI Procast, and today we'll be checking out MSI's Prestige PS341WU monitor. This is a large 34-inch 5K display with a wider 21:9 aspect ratio, which delivers much more screen space than a regular 4K screen. Our Prestige line is focused on creators, and its white asymmetrical design adds to your workspace, all while offering a lot of features. With more desktop space for your projects, this monitor has vibrant, accurate color and the ability to switch to different color gamuts for your photo and video editing needs. It checks all these boxes and more, so let's get started. So here we have the Prestige PS341WU, and it really takes your workflow to the next level. This 5120 by 2160 screen is 33% wider than a normal 4K screen, with this extra space perfect for media browsing, coding, and monitoring streaming while gaming. The Nano IPS display does HDR 600, which makes images brighter while retaining detail, and has a wider contrast between the darkest and brightest areas of the screen, which outputs 450 nits. And the frameless design sees just a 2mm bezel at the sides of the screen. The Prestige PS341WU has a refresh of 60 Hz and a response time of 8 milliseconds, with 178-degree horizontal and vertical viewing angles and anti-glare surface. Nano IPS renders very accurate colors with truly high-end picture quality and has a DCI-P3 or DisplayP3 coverage of 98%. DisplayP3 is the new standard for digital cinema work, and with a 25% wider color range than sRGB, it provides true-to-life colors for video and photos, and so that you can create stunning artwork. An asymmetrical circular design in the center gives contrast to the stand, which tilts -5 to +20 degrees, and it can swivel 35 degrees to either side. The height is adjustable with a total of 10 centimeters travel, or if you really need it up high, it has holes for a VESA 100mm mount. Our Creator OSD gives you full control, where you can select color space, work in HDR, and tune brightness, contrast, blacks, color, temperature, and more. There's also screen assistant settings, adjustments for response, and latency. The Prestige PS341WU also features picture-in-picture for monitoring of a second source. It also does picture-by-picture, which handles two different sources on the left and right sides of the screen. And in the software, you can assign often used programs to layouts with the split window feature, perfect for multitasking, especially if you are using the same combination of programs. And everything is controlled by the 5-way joystick that sits over the power button. There's a lot of connectivity with one DisplayPort 1.4, two HDMI 2.0, and one Type-C DisplayPort connector. Note that HDMI is unable to support a 5K signal, so you'll need to use DisplayPort. Three USB 3.2 Gen 1 ports are connected to your computer with the 3.2 Gen 1 Type-B socket. For sound, there's a mic in, headphone out, and an audio combo jack. The audio combo port allows for a separate audio source in or out to the monitor. And the cover fits on for neat cable management, covering and routing all the wiring out from the monitor. The rectangular base is open to keep your desk items tidy. The Prestige PS341WU is the screen you need for graphics and video production, and it's a fantastic upgrade, especially if you're making the jump from a 1080p screen. For more information about the Prestige PS341WU and our Prestige line, please check MSI's website for more details. What kind of applications would you use this for? Which of your graphics programs or video editing software would you use on this? Please let us know down in the comments. If you like this video, then please do hit that thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe to MSI for the latest news. Thanks for joining us today, and happy creating. See you all in the next episode.